446.94 is still kind of part of a range that we're focusing more on. This channel top at 451.12 was just a little bit higher, and 448.45 is the same formation but on the daily chart. And this area is actually now considered a 3 to 5 day target following yesterday's settlement above the 5/8 Fibonacci, and that is over the last 2 weeks. So we did close Tuesday above 430.57, and now we enter a 3 to 5 day target at 448.55. 448.55 is the daily chart that we find on the weekly chart at 451.12. This is an area that can contain buying through June perhaps, because it does correlate pretty well with this 446.94 former channel bottom. It is one big area that can contain buying through June, and from here we can fall away, possibly all the way back to the 352.31 channel bottom within a couple of months. But if we do happen to close above the 451.12 formation, we are expecting within about 2 to 3 weeks that 498.83 December high of last year, all-time high. And I think within 2 to 3 months of closing above 451.12, we can expect 542.37, a 6-year rising channel top that is yet to be tested and may well contain buying through the rest of the year and well into 27. It becomes a 2 to 3 month objective with a settlement above 451.12. I will also mention that when we tested the 352.31 formation a couple of months ago, we'd mentioned the 540s as attainable by the end of the year perhaps, and that becomes more like expected rather than perhaps with a weekly settlement above 451.12. Let's get back to the daily chart. We've got 430.57. I think if we close today back below this meaningful 5/8 Fibonacci, that by Friday's close we retest 413.04, which is still decent pullback support, can contain selling through next week, and yes, above which over the next 1 to 2 weeks 448.55 is likely, now narrowed to within 3 to 5 days following yesterday's settlement above 430.57. Closing back below 430.57, expect 413.04 within the week, where we could bottom out through next week. You can go long here, anticipating then upward rotation once again to 448.45 within a week or two of testing 413.04. Any settlement below 413.04, and we have a 1 to 2 week target at 381.61, and that is a 5/8 Fibonacci over the last couple of months activity. So closing below 413.04, we've got a good high into later June, 381.61, then likely within a week or two where we could bottom out on a weekly basis and possibly round up into later June. We've got another 3 to 5 day swing trade to the upside at 448.55, where profits can be taken and a short position. If you're a 3 to 5 day swing trader, back into the low 430s. If you're a 1 to 2 week swing trader, back to 413.04. And if you are kind of a 1 to 2 month position holder, you can sell the upper 440s, anticipating once again the low 350s within a month or two.
Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.